Hello all, today in this video I am going to make an continuation video of the previous video by which we have worked with the two machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression and support vector mission, and in this code we are going to work with another machine learning algorithm which is catboost. For that initially we are loading the library or the dataset. This dataset we downloaded from Kaggle. You can just give us email spam detection dataset. Kaggle means you will get this dataset. It is having nearly three columns such as and such in unnamed field which is just the serial number. Next is the email text and next is the email type. Then we are getting the info of the data set. So the first serial number is the integer type and all others, that is email type and text or object. Then we are checking whether our data set is having any null values. You may notice that within the email text we are having nearly 16 entries, so it is having null values, so we have to work with some dropping action. So including this dropping of null values, we are also dropping this unnamed entry. Why? Because we don't need that, it's just a serial number, so we are going to drop that also. Apart from that, we are also going to drop the entries which are not found. So now after that we are checking missing values, and now you may notice that we are having only two entries and the two entries is not having any null values. Then we are getting the shape of the data. Then we are also making a plot like within the email type variable, that it is having nearly two classes like a safe email and phishing email. So when considering this plot, you may notice that rather than safe email, phishing email, safe email is having high entries. Then we are moving with the train test split function to by making use of the x variable and y variable. Within the x variable we are calling the email text variable and y variable is calling the email type variable. With the use of this x variable and y variable, and the test size is 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training. And with the use of the train test split function, we are determining variables like x train, x test, y train and y test. Then we have to convert, because every variables we are having is in the form of text, we have to convert it into vectors. For that we are using a vectorizer. The vectorizer here we are using is the tfidf vectorizer, and by this we are converting the values of x train and x test, that is the text of x train and x test, into vectors. Then we are already we worked with the logistic regression and we have got the confusion matrix and also the classification report. So with this, for logistic regression we got nearly 97% accuracy. Then we worked with the support vector mission and displayed the confusion matrix and also the classification report, and has got a 98% accuracy. In this work we are going to work with catboost classifier. For that, we are importing the library of the catboost classifier and calling that library within that variable. That variable we are using for the fit function and predict function. Fit function is used for training and predict function is used for testing. Within the fit function, since it is used for training, we are calling the training variables like x train and y train. And since predict function is the testing function, we are, by this we are calling the testing variables and making a prediction. Within the cat boost classifier, it will classify for nearly more learning rate. It will make some more iterations and it will end only at the time it is noticing that now better accuracy is obtained. So it will work for some different iterations. So here you may notice that we have got nearly 1000 iterations and we have got the predictions. Then we are displaying the confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix for the catboost classifier, and you may notice we have only less number of values within the confusion matrix. Since why? Because with the confusion matrix and the classification report, we are working with only the test variables. If you want some more, means you can work with train variables, or else you can just increase the percentage. that is test size here we have given as point 0.2, that is 20% for testing. No, so in that case if you want some more in the testing means you can just make it as 0.25. In that case it will take 25% for testing. So as per your wish you can change. Then we have displayed the classification report and have got an accuracy of 97%. Then we have made a comparison within this logistic regression support vector mission and catboost classifier. In this logistic regression and catboost classifier are having the same accuracy of 97, and we have made a plot. Here you may notice with the logistic regression and catboost classifier we are getting the same accuracy, but for when compared to this svm is providing some better accuracy. So this is the comparison within three models. In the next implementation we will be working with this passive aggressive classifier and will make a comparison that four comparison will come, and we among that we will confirm that which algorithm is providing better results. Thank you.